Hi folks, welcome once again to Gaz Labs.
Ventured.
We have ventured back to Baldwin's Wood again this weekend, and this time we've had a bit of success again. We've actually been we had a good QSO into, was it Czech Republic?
Yes, with Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, the famous purveyor of his magnetic loops, which we only realised after we spoke to him.
Yeah, so he was he was really nice, and so if you want to go and see
and he was also very polite about the Icom loop and the Alex loop, which I thought was really nice, sweet of him. He didn't mention the fact he makes them himself.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't at all. Anyway, we've come out again today. We've had quite a selection of radios again. We've had the FT818, which was, actually
on receive was actually very good.
Yeah, it was very good. And again, obviously the 705, which we've really given a bit of a hammering this week. I did something really stupid, and I left it in digital mode, and where it wouldn't actually transmit any audio. So that was a bit of a faux pas on my part, and we thought that the aerial had broken. But anyway, that's another story.
We're talking about the humongous doublet that we tried.
Yeah, we did. We tried a humongous doublet, and to be honest, although the transmit was my fault, really not setting the radio correctly, we weren't overly impressed with the receive difference it made compared to the wire that we had up last week. But having extra powers certainly made a difference. So running the 705 or with an external battery, which I made up last week. And you can see this here. This is basically a whole bunch of LiFePo 4 batteries, and I managed to get a cheapo battery management system from eBay. But Mark's brought his little motorbike battery, and I don't know how to describe just how light these things are. I mean, you can balance that on your nose.
It's
really
know if that will start my motorbike up.
No,
it might do. There's a chance it might.
Yeah, there's a chance. But these are really good. But this one, again, this is an old e-bike battery that I took apart. Ever important coffee. But again, we've tried all sorts, and yeah, we've had mixed results really. So
the vertical, that is interesting.
We've here, I don't know if you can see this. This is a DX Commander pole, which we've got going up into the trees there, and it's just supported to the trees either side. And this is the little short pole, DX Commander short pole. We've been experimenting with all sorts of different balance, and we've discovered that they don't make huge amounts of difference. Yeah, there's one I made.
That's a 9 to 1. That's a 9
That's a 9 to 1. Yeah.
We tried the 49 to 1.
Yeah.
And the 4 to 1.
Yeah, which was LDG one.
LDG one, and we tried no balun. But to be fair, all of them are going via the AH705 tuner.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, I think conclusion was you don't need a balun. The tune is so good.
Yeah, you don't need a balun, so probably best just to split that off. But you would need some kind of line isolator, wouldn't you? Surely. I would have said you'd need a line isolator.
A line isolator.
Yeah, or a 1-to-1 inline balun or something. Why?
If it's working with that one.
And surely you'd get a bit of RF coming back, wouldn't you?
Use a ferrite.
All right, okay, but that's 1-to-1 balun.
Is that what one calls a line isolator?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Use a choke. You mean put a choke?
A choke, whatever.
Choke. Yeah. It doesn't have to be branded. Yeah.
No.
But, I mean, it works. Mind you. Yes. Talking of which, didn't you make the PC go haywire when you tried FT8s on full power?
Yeah.
Which is amazing considering it's only 10 watts.
Yeah. We've noticed the Mac's worse, actually, to be honest. I've noticed that with the 705, if you have a poor USB connection and you get any RF come back it will actually chuck the USB driver off, or the 705 off. I can't use my Mac at all because it just keeps disconnecting every time you transmit, but I can use the Surface, so that does work really well. The only trouble with the Surface is it is a bit heavy, but the other...
You can't see the screen outside.
Oh, and you can't see the screen.
Oh, that was the other thing today.
Yeah.
Sunshades.
Yeah, we need a 705 sunshade.
Yes.
So if anyone's got any ideas, just a little tiny pop over cover or something like that,
yes,
that we can actually see the screen, because I noticed that the screen disappeared. But we are really learning, I think, from this experience. We've really played around with the ballons. We know damn well now not to bring too many ballons. We only need to bring one, probably a 9-to-1.
Yes.
The vertical works absolutely amazingly. Use the 705 tuner. We do have a manual tuner here today.
Yeah, which didn't seem to do.
No, didn't seem too bad. It was all right, but it didn't do very much.
And again, what's the essential thing for the preppers is to pack one's dinner, because we're now starving. He's got a headache. I'm starving.
No, I'm all right. I'm not too bad. But yeah, we've had a good afternoon.
Maybe we should hunt for some food now.
Well, there's some deer roaming around, but I'm not going to wrestle one to the ground. I don't know if I look big.
I wonder if we could try eating what they're eating, grass. But I don't think that's...
Yeah, well, dried leaves or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, right, well, we're buggering off home now to get some food, and
But
that's
it's
that.
really interesting today, wasn't it? Again, so some of the things, it is nice to take a chair with you.
Yep.
It is nice to have a table. So it is nice to have something to drink. External battery, must have. Some of the old stuff, the only thing with the FT818, we didn't try transmitting with it.
No.
I suspect with 5 watts? No, 6 watts on external power. I think that would have been challenging.
Yeah, I do as well.
Yeah, I do. And it's no. I have got the speech compressor, Soda Beams one, but I think without with its just internal stuff, no external speech compressor, I don't think we'd have got out. Because on the IC-705 we had it set up. We had the transmitter bandwidth in medium to give us a bit more punch. We had the compressor fully up. We had the mic gain set to about 30%. But we're almost sure if we'd have had that compression setting indoors, you would have heard everything going on in the house with the compressor up that high.
Okay.
But it works again. But yeah, we do need it would be nice to have a linear with us.
I know, but there again, you might as well bring a 7300 or something, mightn't you?
Yeah, true.
Next time, maybe we should bring a DX10 out with us one day.
We could try, just before we go, if you want, I know you're excited, because it is a 705 and not a 7300, we could try 2 meters. We haven't even listened on 2 meters.
No, that's another day, because it's another aerial.
Is it?
Yeah, I mean, I do have in the car, I do have a 2 meters beam, but really and truly, this is the wrong location, I think, for 2 meters. You want to get, I've got that SOTA mast and the spider beams mast in the car. Maybe we can put that on I've got drive over mountain in the car as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So we can maybe go to a car park with that one. That would work.
Did you tell them the exciting news about your FT8?
My FT8.
You did and how far you were heard today with this?
Oh yeah, it was all right. It was doing all right on FT8.
Yeah, I mean, what was the furthest country? What you said, Oslo?
Yeah,
No,
I think it was.
far.
No, it was something Heim.
Heim.
Something Heim.
Not Israel.
No.
Okay.
Actually, I think Czechoslovakia wasn't too bad, was it?
That's just not Oscar Mike Echo Tango.
Actually, no,
he
it
was
is.
in Czech.
Czech. Yeah.
And he gave, was it 5 and 3?
Yeah, 5 and 3.
That's not bad.
And it was, fully conversational as well.
Yeah.
So that was really, really good. I mean, I know that you guys are going to probably ask that you want to see us operating, but we've had sort of these two visits have really been a massive learning curve just to know what to bring. And the bag, I think what I might do is next time we come up, I'll do what's in the bag. And give you some idea of what we've actually brought up, because I'm noticing that everything is a learning curve. Don't bring what you're not going to use.
Actually, we're not even sure that you need a counterpoise we're not sure about that.
No, but I think I would have said you do. I think that would be beneficial. But the other thing is as well, the you know, what if you're not going to use it, don't bring it, because we're noticing that, you know, the weight is a real issue. You know, bringing sort of stuff up. I mean, at the moment I've got quite a big bag and it's heavy. So just yeah. So maybe next time we'll do what's in the bag, show you what's in the bag, and we'll be a little bit more organised, and we'll do a little bit of operation. So there you go. So till next time. Do you want to add anything?
73 and 44.
44. What's
You know
that?
what 44?
No, I
That's
don't know.
I think that's a man hug.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it just sounds dreadful, doesn't it? Yes, okay. Well, look, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoy these. If you do, subscribe, ring the bell, and all that sort of stuff that people ask. But yeah, so we'll see you very soon.